Machiegni mago mag tuke peim mag WRC Safari Rally higa mar 2024 biro bagi e kind tarik 29 gi tarik 31 dwe mar adek e boma ma Naivasha ka tukegi oseyo joriemb geche maromo 100 kowuok e pachoka gi pinje maoko. Kanuo e nyasi mar chiwo sir ne tukegi, jatend migawo mar weche tuke Ababu Namwamba nolalo ni lokruok mar tarik kowuok e dwe mar 7 nyaka dwe mar 3 en ywayo johera mathoth mag tukegi e kinde sikuku mag Easter. Namwamba bende nolero ni sirikal kokalo e chenro mag Talanta Hela oseketo kenge mar chaka yanga skund puonjruok tuke mag rally. Bengi mar KCB ochiwo sir mar omenda maromo siling milion 195 mabiro konyo e bago chenro mag tukegi.
And we are deeply committed, and it's good that the finance director is here when I'm making these commitments. It's right behind you. That we really have to support talent. It's therefore my honor as CS to announce that KCB is renewing sponsorship towards the 2024 WRC Safari Rally. The bank has put aside Kenya shillings 195 million towards this.
Let me from the outset recognize the sponsorship of KCB, and alongside you, KCB, all the other partners who have come forth to work with government to deliver this event. We are grateful that you continue to heed the government's call that this is something we cannot do alone. In the true African spirit, we say if you want to go very fast, you travel alone, but if you want to go far, you travel with others.